Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emily, a registered nurse and yoga teacher. Today we are going to do a 5-minute health bounce, which is important to support our lymph flow, balance, circulation, and overall well-being. Get started by gently pressing the heels into the mat of your rebounder and softly let the hands rest by your sides or have the hands on the handlebars. Reminder to take your time today, move slowly, and be mindful in your movements. These easy, slow bounces help stimulate lymphatic circulation, or your body's natural way of clearing out waste and supporting immune function. As you move, keep your breath steady and relaxed. And here we're going to start to move into a walk, just gently lifting the knees. If you want to give this a try, I like to turn to the side and hold on to my rebounder. Take your time. We're here for about 1 minute. Of course, if you like to stay in the health bounce, feel free to return to the previous move. Light movement on the rebounder helps us balance coordination, especially as we age. I love my rebounder. I'm using the BCAN 40-inch Softland rebounder, which I'll leave a link down below. I have a 10% affiliate link coupon for you if you'd like to give it a try. Continue with this little march in place, noticing your breath. Maybe you feel your heart rate getting up here. This is good. We're supporting our heart health as well as our lymphatic system. Take this at your own pace and moving into the health bounce again. So we'll alternate between this and the gentle walk on the rebounder. Let the bounce become a calming rhythm. Rebounding increases blood flow gently, supporting your cardiovascular system. It's like a mild walk in place, but cushioned and gentle on your joints. And today it's not about intensity. Think of it as movement you enjoy, a little gift for your body that your body can thank you for later. Well done, my friends. We're about halfway through. Continue to breathe naturally in and out through the nose or the mouth. We'll get ready to walk in place. 3, 2, and 1. So finding that little light walk in place. Again, great for the joints. The whole system now is supportive through this rebounding exercise. And I've found just a few minutes a day of rebounding really helps enhance my energy levels, helps me maintain a clear head throughout the day, and of course helps my balance and circulation. As always, thank you so much for being here. If you enjoy this practice, be sure to like and subscribe this channel. New workouts come out each week. And keep walking, listening to the needs of your body, taking it slow or faster if you choose. For 3, 2, 1, let's go back into our last minute, going into the health bounce yet again. Lightly pressing the heels into the earth, keeping your knee joints soft, maybe a little bounce in the hands down by the sides. Sometimes I just can't help but smile. Enjoy this practice. Make it your own. Just a little bit longer here. Of course, if you would like to learn more about the work I do and how I can support you in your wellness journey, please visit my website, emilydarty.com. And over there, I'd love to invite you into Emily's Wellness Academy, a supportive space here online for women just like you. And we are going to finish up here in just a moment. Thank Thank you so much for being here. Great job today. Nice job. Give yourself a huge round of applause. You just completed 5 minutes on the mini trampoline. I am so proud of you. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day and take good care. See you soon.